Hey guys, and welcome back. So first, what makes AllThingsAi special? Let's explore the features that make it stand out. A comprehensive directory. AllThingsAi boasts a vast and ever-growing collection of AI tools categorized by specific functions like design, marketing, writing, development, and more. With tools like Explore, Audio, Chat to, Code, Design, Image, Video, and Writing. Let's start with curated and reviewed. Forget sifting through endless options. Every tool on AllThingsAi is carefully vetted and reviewed by experts, ensuring you only find high-quality and reliable solutions. Then, powerful search. Quickly and easily find the perfect AI tool for your needs with the intuitive search bar. Refine your search by category, features, price, and even user ratings. Then detailed insights. Each tool listing provides a comprehensive overview, including its features, benefits, pricing, user reviews, and tutorials. This allows you to make informed decisions before investing in any tool. Then stay ahead of the curve. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, and AllThingsAi keeps you updated with the latest and greatest tools emerging every day. So AllThingsAi is a curated directory of AI tools and services. AI is one of the fastest-growing sectors the technology industry has ever seen. Every day, 100 ES of new tools and platforms are launched, promising, but with so many new tools, figuring out which ones are good, which are bad, and which are downright ugly is easier said than done. And GPT can't help you either. These tools are so new that they've not been tested, the tires haven't been kicked, and an AI overview of a tool's landing page isn't much help. That's where this website comes in. Our expert team takes the time to test each tool, compare it to its closest competitors, and figure out whether it's worth your time or not. So we believe our human-led approach to testing AI tools is what makes AllThingsAi's trusted review site in the space. With benefits of using AllThingsAi first. Save time and effort. No more wasting hours researching and comparing different tools. AllThingsAi puts everything you need at your fingertips. Second, boost productivity and efficiency. Leverage the power of AI to automate tasks, streamline workflows, and get more done in less time. Third, unlock creativity and innovation. AI tools can help you generate fresh ideas, push creative boundaries, and explore new possibilities. Fourth, make informed decisions. Gain valuable insights into the capabilities and limitations of different tools before making any investment. Finally, discover hidden gems. Uncover innovative and lesser-known AI tools that can give you a competitive edge. Then let's see the insidr.ai website by AI tool categories. First, find what you need in our complete AI tools, like AI for business, marketing, social media, content creation, copywriting, SEO, video, AI image generator, email assistant, e-commerce, CRM, and automation, and finance AI. Second, you can find all tool reviews for productivity, text-to-speech, AI crypto trading bots, AI stock trading bots, website and funnel, customer service, free tools, AI chatbots, ChatGPT plugins, AI detector, AI art generator, low-code, no-code. Third, powerful search and filtering. Quickly find the perfect AI tool for your specific needs with the intuitive search bar. Filter by category, features, price, user rating, and even specific keywords. Fourth, stay updated and informed. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, and insidr.ai ensures you stay ahead of the curve with its constantly updated directory and news section, showcasing the latest and greatest AI innovations. Fifth, unleash the power of AI solutions. Insidr.ai goes beyond just tools. They offer customized AI solutions tailored to your specific business needs, helping you maximize the potential of AI and achieve your business goals. Then futurepedia.io website. Futurepedia is a collective of entrepreneurs with global perspectives who believe in AI for good. So believe in a future where AI enhances every professional's toolkit. Their team delves deep into tools, plugins, and apps to deliver high-quality content with a transformative potential right to your screens, tailored for the proactive modern professional, and provide comprehensive resources that illuminate the path to AI integration in the workplace. Create a free account and elevate your professional journey with Futurepedia. Then let's delve into the features that make futurepedia.io a must-visit for anyone looking to harness the power of AI. First, a comprehensive AI toolbox. Futurepedia.io boasts a vast and ever-growing directory of AI tools, meticulously categorized by function, industry, and specific needs. This allows you to easily find the perfect tool for any task imaginable. Second, expert reviews and insights. Navigating the world of AI can be overwhelming. That's why futurepedia.io provides in-depth reviews and insights from industry experts, helping you make informed decisions and avoid investing in unsuitable tools. Third, powerful search and filtering. Quickly pinpoint the ideal AI tool for your specific needs with the intuitive search bar. Refine your search by category, features, price, user rating, and even specific industry requirements. Fourth, stay ahead of the curve. Futurepedia.io keeps you updated on the latest and greatest AI innovations through its constantly updated directory and news section. This ensures you're always equipped with the cutting-edge tools to achieve your goals. Then discover hidden gems. Beyond its comprehensive directory, Futurepedia.io also shines a light on lesser-known but powerful AI tools, allowing you to unlock hidden gems and gain a competitive edge. Finally, learn and grow with Futurepedia.io. The website provides valuable educational resources, including tutorials, articles, and webinars, to help you master the use of various AI tools and unlock their full potential. Then AI Tools Directory website. So, AI Tools Directory is a comprehensive collection of curated artificial intelligence software tools that cater to the needs of small business owners, bloggers, artists, musicians, entrepreneurs, marketers, writers, and researchers. Whether you're looking for tools to enhance your creative output, automate your workflow, or improve your business's overall productivity, this directory has got you covered. So browse through their collection and discover tools that help you create stunning AI art, improve the quality of your photographs, generate high-quality content for your websites and sales pages, create unique music compositions, automate tedious tasks, integrate AI assistants into your workflow, and much more. With these tools, you can leverage the power of artificial intelligence to enhance your creative output, increase productivity, and optimize business operations. Then FutureTools.io website. So FutureTools collects and organizes all the best AI tools so you too can become superhuman with these tools. With comprehensive AI toolbox, AI detection, aggregators, avatar, chat, copywriting, finance, for fun, gaming, generative art, generative code, generative video, image improvement, image scanning, inspiration, marketing, motion capture, music, podcasting, productivity, prompt guides, research, self-improvement, social media, speech-to-text, text-to-speech, text-to-video, translation, video editing, voice modulation, free, freemium, GitHub, Google Colab, open source, paid. With such a diverse collection of tools, FutureTools.io allows you to explore a wide range of options across various fields. Then find my AI tool website. So that's a website dedicated to helping individuals and organizations find the right AI tools for your specific needs. So you understand that with the rapid advancement of technology and the increasing demand for automation, it can be overwhelming to navigate the vast array of AI tools available in the market. This is why we have created a platform that simplifies the process of discovering and selecting the best AI tools for your business. Its team consists of experts in the field of artificial intelligence who continuously research and analyze the latest tools and trends. We provide unbiased reviews and comparisons of the top AI tools and offer insights into their features, capabilities, and pricing. Whether you are looking for an AI tool for natural language processing, image recognition, predictive analytics, or any other use case, they have got you covered. Their platform offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to filter and sort through the various options based on your specific needs. So believe that AI has the power to transform businesses and industries, and we are committed to helping individuals and organizations harness its full potential. We strive to provide the most up-to-date information and guidance to ensure that you make informed decisions when selecting an AI tool. So I hope that you find the website useful and informative, and look forward to helping you find the perfect AI tool for your business. Then Topai website. Let's dive deeper into the features of Topai tools. First, a curated collection of AI tools. Topai Tools goes beyond simply listing tools. It handpicks and categorizes the most innovative and valuable AI tools available, ensuring you have access to the best options for your specific needs. Second, tailored recommendations. Tired of sifting through countless tools? Topai Tools uses a sophisticated AI algorithm to understand your goals and preferences, then OpenTools website. So OpenTools provides users with a comprehensive overview of the AI industry, including key trends, industry players, emerging investments, and early-stage acquisition opportunities. Whether you're an investor looking for the next big thing, or an entrepreneur looking to leverage AI to drive growth and innovation, we're committed to providing you with the insights and support you need to succeed. With powerful search and filtering, quickly pinpoint the ideal AI tool for your specific needs with the intuitive search bar and advanced filters. Refine your search by category, features, pricing, user rating, and even specific keywords to find the perfect AI solution instantly. Finally, learn and grow. Expanding your skill set is key to success in the AI era. opentools.ai provides a wealth of educational resources, including tutorials, articles, and webinars, to help you master the use of various AI tools and unlock their full potential. Then, openfuture.ai website. So OpenFuture is an AI directory where you can find various AI-powered tools to improve your work. OpenFuture has everything you want or need in the way of project management tools to keep your team on track, time tracking tools to increase productivity, document management tools to facilitate collaboration on critical files, and virtual assistant tools to assist you with related tasks. With topics by all types of productivity, developer tools, health, e-commerce, fashion, life assistant, finance, real estate. Then easywithai website. So easywithai is one of the largest AI tools directories on the internet, with a simple goal to make AI more accessible for everyone. You can use our site to easily discover new AI tools, services, and resources. AI is evolving every day, and there are advanced AI models being developed for all sorts of use cases. Its directory of AI tools spans over 50 different categories, and includes things like AI copywriters, text and image generators, AI transcription, SEO automation tools, and more. You're sure to find something that can benefit you or your team. Its website is dedicated to providing easy-to-use AI tools and educational resources that can help you and your business thrive in the digital age. Nowadays, there are new AI tools and services launching every day. It's a difficult task to keep track of them all. They carefully curate every tool that is listed, ensuring that their key features work and are accessible to both the everyday user and experts alike. So believe that anyone can benefit from the power of AI, and its goal is to make it as easy as possible for you to get started. We hope that easywithai enables you to find your AI tools faster and easier, and saves you from the hours of skimming through sponsored search results. So top AI tools here: marketing and content tools, image tools, media tools, chatbots, text-to-speech, 3D assets and textures, SEO tools, coding tools, voice tools, mobile apps, transcription tools, meeting assistants, architecture tools, productivity tools, educational tools, AI Chrome extensions with multiple free tools. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more creative AI tutorial content.